Welcome to the Awesome Possum Classroom, Grade 4. Worksheets for the story are available. If you like and follow me on YouTube, email me at awesomepossumclassroom@gmail.com to receive your worksheets. This is video 7, Because of Winn Dixie. And in this video, which will be short, we will be talking about contractions and prefixes. What are prefixes? Well, a prefix is a group of letters that can be attached to the beginning of a root word to change its meaning. For example, adding the prefix "un" to the root word certain creates the new word uncertain. The prefix "un" gives a new word a negative meaning. Well, in the story Because of Winn Dixie, we will be working with the prefixes re, un, and dis. And this is the worksheet that will be due to me on Friday, which will be taken for a grade. All right, so let's look at this chart. We have the prefix, the meaning of the prefix, the root word we're going to add to the prefix, the new word, and then the new meaning. All right, so let's look at the prefix re. Re means again. So if we add it to the root word take, our new word is retake, and that means to take again. Un means not. If we add un to the root word broken, we have the word unbroken, and it means it's not broken. Dis also means not. If we add dis to the prefix like, our new word is dislike, and it means not like. All right, so these are the prefixes you will be working on this week. Okay, so let's move on to contractions. A contraction is a shortened form of two words with an apostrophe taking the place of omitted letters. For example, do not changes to don't. Once you learn where to put the apostrophe, contractions are a breeze. The contractions we're going to be working on for this lesson is not, did not, would not, cannot, do not, have not, could not, has not, are not, and will not. So let's remember something. A contraction is one word that is made up from two words. Let's look at the two words is not. We're going to take those two words and we're going to change it into one word. We're going to take out the O in not and replace it with an apostrophe. And now we have the new word isn't. Let's look at did not. Two words. We're going to make it into one word by making it into a contraction. We're going to take out the O and we're going to add an apostrophe in the replacing the O, and we'll have the new word, one word, didn't. Would not, two words, we're going to make it into the contraction wouldn't. We're going to replace that O with an apostrophe. Okay? Now, cannot is a little bit different because you have to take out two letters. You have to take out the extra N and the O and replace it with the apostrophe to get the word can't. Do not, have not, could not, has not, and are not all follow the same rule. Take out the O and replace it with an apostrophe. Take out the O, replace it with an apostrophe. Take out the O, replace it with an apostrophe. Okay? Has not becomes hasn't. Are not becomes aren't. Now, will not is another strange one. Will not changes into the word won't. Okay. You can see in will not, and changing it into won't. You're not going to have an I and an L. It's WON apostrophe T. Okay, that's just one you have to remember. All right, this is the worksheet that you will do with this lesson. Make sure that it's turned in by Friday, because you will get a grade on this. All right, there are two videos that you can watch. One on contractions and one on prefixes. They're two really good videos on contractions and prefixes. Make sure that you watch those two videos. That's the end of our lesson, boys and girls. Make sure you do your worksheets and get your work turned in to me by Friday.